also, so I am taking in both languages. So student, here see, next question number 11th is, pencil lead is made of dash, diamond, graphite, carbonate or oxide. So it is graphite. All of you know that pencil lead is grayish black and opaque, and that is the allotrope of carbon, which is graphite. Now next question is, anode of a dry cell is made of dash, diamond, silver, carbonate, graphite. So here the answer is same, graphite. कभी भी उसको ड्राई सेल को खोल के देखो तो उसमें एक यू कैन सी ब्लैक ग्रे रॉड that is made up of graphite, and that is anode of the dry cell. Clear? Now next is, Buckminster fullerene is made of molecule. How much molecule? How many carbon atoms combine and form Buckminster fullerene? See student, in my last lecture I had explained you that Buckminster fullerene is an allotrope of carbon. With Buckminster fullerene, diamond and graphites are also allotropes of carbon. So here Buckminster fullerene is made up of 60 atoms of carbon. Yeah, it is correct, and C60 is the answer. So 60 carbon atoms are there which make Buckminster fullerene. Now see, next question is, cyclohexane and benzene is dash. What is the formula of cyclohexane and benzene? See, both are cyclic compounds, but cyclohexane is C6H12 and benzene is C6H6. When we see the structure of benzene, it is like this, and on alternate places there are डबल बॉन्ड. बेंजीन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होता है? इस तरह से रिंग होती है, और जो डबल बॉन्ड होते हैं वो ऑल्टरनेट प्लेसेस पे होते हैं, एंड साइक्लोहेक्सेन इज C6H12. क्लियर? Now next is, name the first organic compound prepared in lab. See, in last lecture I had asked you that who prepared the first organic compound in the lab. So Wohler synthesized urea by ammonium cyanide in the lab, and I had explained you something else also, so you can see that part for this question. So here urea is the answer. Name the first organic compound which is prepared in lab is urea, and it was prepared by ammonium cyanide. Now next is, the important natural source of hydrocarbon is dash, petroleum, petrol, diesel or kerosene. So it is petroleum. See, we can obtain many things from petroleum like petrol, diesel, kerosene. These are all obtained from petroleum. Now next is, crude oil is dash. Crude oil is also petroleum. Now next we are coming to CnH2n plus 2 is general formula of dash. See, now we are going to start alkane, alkene and alkyne, and here you see this N is used for number. Suppose I take here 1, then here also 1 will come. So C1 and 2 1 are 2 and 4, CH4, and CH4 is methane. So what is it? Alkane. So by using this you can find out that CnH2n plus 2 is the general formula of alkane. Clear? There are 3 formulas: CnH2n, CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n minus 2. So when you add 2 to it, you get alkane. Clear? Now next is, simplest alkane is dash and alkene is dash. See, alkane means that unsaturated hydrocarbon, all are single bonds there, and in alkene means double bond is there. This ene shows double bond. So alkene is where we have to find out first alkane and first alkene. So first alkane is methane and alkene is ethene. Why? Because double bond always comes between carbon atoms. So you need 2 carbon for that. So 2 carbon means eth, and it is double bond, so we use ene. So methane and ethene. Methane is the alkane and ethene is the simplest alkene. Alkene always starts with ethene. Similarly, alkyne also starts with ethyne, because alkyne means triple bond is coming, and triple bond between triple bond always comes between two carbon atoms. So we need two carbon for that. Now next is acetylene is dash. See here you don't get confused here that ene. This ene means double bond. I explained you here that ene is double bond, but this is not IUPAC name. This is common name. Acetylene is common name of what? Ethene. Ethene is, oh sorry, not ethene, it is of ethyne, because I explained you that acetylene is the common name of ethyne. Ethyne is CH triple bond CH. There is triple bond, and for triple bond we use suffix "-ine", and for two carbon we use prefix "-eth", so ethyne is obtained. But acetylene is common name, so here don't confuse with ene. Clear? Now next is ethane has dash covalent bonds. So how many covalent bonds are there? See how? 8, 5, 6, 7. So what is the correct answer? I think the correct answer is 7. How? See, write its structural formula C2. C, C, H, 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 H. In this way you can count the bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many covalent bonds are there? 7 in ethane molecule. So in each you can find the number of covalent bonds by making its structural formula. Now next is out of this, which is alkene. So how will you come out? How will you come to know that which is alkene? See, we know that alkene is double bond hydrocarbon. No, it is double bond hydrocarbon. CH2 double bond CH2. It is ethene. C2H4. So it means that now what is its general formula? CnH2n. If I take carbon atoms 2, then here also 2 C2H4. So general formula is CnH2n. So using that you can find that which hydrocarbon is following that general formula. See C3H6. Now if I write CnH2n, so I get C3 and 2 3 just 6, C3H6. C3H4, it is not following that pattern. C2H6 is also not following that pattern. So only C3H6 is following the pattern which we are using for alkene. Clear? Now next is which compound has double bond? See C3H8, C2H6, C2H2, C3H6. Again double bond. Double bond means we are talking about alkene. And alkene, the general formula of alkene is CnH2n. So according to that you can find out whether which has double bond. Common name of pentane is what? See whether it is normal pentane, pentene, isopentane or pentane. So the correct answer is normal pentane. Common name of pentane is normal pentane. Clear? Now next is CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Write its IUPAC name. So see, this chain is made up of 3 carbon atom. So what do we use for it? Propane. There are all single bonds. So propane we will use for this. And whether we number this compound from this side to this side or from this side to this side. So both are same. So any side we can prefer. So here see, on second carbon methyl is coming, so 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane, and what is its IUPAC name? Isobutane. So which is the correct answer? 2-methyl propane and isobutane is the correct answer. Now see next question. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Again student, here you can see that if you number this chain from here, you are getting 3,2-methyl. But when you number from this side, you are getting 2,2-methyl. So we will prefer this side numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. हमको नंबरिंग कैसे करनी है, जो भी इसकी सब्स्टिट्यूट्स होती हैं, सब्स्टिट्यूट चेन होती है, उसको कम से कम नंबर मिलना चाहिए। तो अगर तुम यहाँ से नंबरिंग करते हो तो मिथाइल को 3 नंबर मिलता है, यहाँ से नंबरिंग करते हो तो मिथाइल को 2 नंबर मिलता है, तो हम इस साइड को प्रेफर करेंगे 1 2 3 4। सो 2 मिथाइल, how many carbon atoms are there? 4, made up of single bond, so butane. So 2 methyl butane is the correct answer. So here you can find this 2 methyl butane. See, this is also 2 methyl butane, but we are leaving gap here. See, here you are leaving the gap, and here you can see that I haven't put dash. Therefore I choose this answer 2 methyl butane. This is the correct way to write. Now next is CH triple bond CH, again C, made up of 2 carbon atom, so use eth. Now there is triple bond, so ine. So ethyne is its name, but it is not given in the option, so we go to its common name, acetylene. Clear? Now next question is C5H12 has dash isomers. C5H12 has how many isomers are there? All of you know how to make the isomers. See, C5H12 has 3 isomers. In one you can make the chain, simple chain like this, that is called normal pentane, and in second you can make this methyl group on second carbon atom, so that is called 2-methyl butane. In this way you can make. So C5H12 has 3 isomers. See, this is also one of the isomer of this pentane. This is the C5H12 and this is isomer of pentane. So this is the third isomer. Now see here, you can arrange the methyl group like this. On second carbon, one here and one here. This chain is preferred. So neopentane, it is called neopentane, or you can call it 2,2-dimethyl. On second carbon, 2 methyl groups are coming. So 2,2-dimethyl propane. It is called 2,2-dimethyl propane. What is its IUPAC name? 2,2-dimethyl propane. And what is its common name? Neopentane. When 2 methyl groups are coming on the same carbon, it is called neo. So neopentane. Clear, student? So student, you go through these questions, and if you have any problem, you ask me, and